a champion, a champion. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, also famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in me, yeah, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the show, so they know that I still got it, and I never feel sorry.
Welcome back to my channel, loves. This is Gigi's Tall Girl Closet, and I'm Gigi. And in today's video, we will be reviewing, I think you pronounce her KAMIYAH from OUTRE or OUTRE. I got her in the color DRFF Cherry Red. I think it's, yeah, Cherry Red. And yeah, so I'm going to be reviewing her. If you guys interested to see what she looks like and want to know what I think about her, my pros and my cons, and want to see this install, just keep watching.
I don't need no roses on my bed. I can pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure, mommy. Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not.
Alright, you guys, I have her on, and she's flat. She's definitely flat. I like that. She's not too long. She's not as long as not Charisma. What was her name? Geneva. I don't think. She comes just a little bit. I'm gonna scoot back some. She comes just a little bit above my boobs, so that's where she comes. But I have her on, and I still have the lace on her, so I am going to cut this lace off. I've cleaned my forehead with the alcohol. I have showed you the 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and the elastic band. I have sprayed down the lace with my Ebin New York lace tint spray. Now it's time to cut this lace off. Actually, I'm going to just put her up and spray. Alright, I'm just going to blow dry my forehead. Been going with another layer here. Okay, now I'm going to take the lace, bring it down. Yeah, and I did just what I thought I was going to do. I got the, what's the name? I'm prepared though, y'all. I got my cotton balls and I got my alcohol. So I got some on the hairline. I got some on the hairline. Alright. I'm gonna go right on top here. Last time. All right. Okay. Just get this off the hair. I don't know what this is all over this hair. Oh, I think it's the Ebon New York spray. All right, now let's get this lace off. All right, I still got makeup, not makeup. I don't know why I keep calling this makeup, but I still got what's the name on my forehead. Get that off. Oops. There we go. Some more of this lace off. All right. Well, y'all know my lace is not selling. And I use the one all the way over here, the darkest one, and I'm just gonna pat that into my lace. Here we go on that side. There. I just wanted to get a little more closer so you guys can see what side I've worked on and what side I haven't. Alright, now the other side here. All right. I like how she lays so flat. I mean, it's like wig where? Where's the wig? Where's the wig at? Because I don't see it. Oh my goodness, this lays so flat. Look at that. She is pre-plucked, so I'm happy about that. All right, so here she is, installed. She comes a little bit below my boobies. I mean, a little bit above my boobies, but she's not very thick at all. This is all the hair to the front. So this is it. But I like the density. It's a natural, realistic density. It's not too thick where it looks fake, and it's not too thin where you can see the tracks. It's perfect. I like it. So here we go. Here it is from the side. Okay, here she is from the other side. Okay, here she is to the back. And here she is back to the front. Alright, y'all. This was a quick video. I just wanted to do something real quick and show you guys KAMIYAH. I've seen so many reviews on her online. I don't think I've seen her reviewed in this DR face framing cherry red though. But you see how it has like the cherry red right around the face. And she's layered. She is layered. Now I did cut some of the lace, so she is shedding a little bit. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, actually. She's just shedding where I cut the lace. And that's it. Like everywhere else, I'm pulling. I'm not getting any hair. So she does not shed. Oh, thank God she does not shed, y'all. She is big hair friendly. She looks very realistic. The price point is just perfection. The parting space looks very natural. There are no baby hairs on this. Does it say baby hairs? Baby hairs. It says baby hairs included, but what the heck am I having such a hard time finding baby hairs for? Let me get a little bit more of my lace and knot concealer stuff. I mean, knot and lace kit thingy and put more up here. There we go. Okay, I just had to put a little bit more at the top. But I melted her, y'all. See? Well, okay, you see just a little bit of... No, actually, no, that's... Yeah, I melted her. She's good to go. Wait, let me make sure. I can't really tell if that's my wig cap showing underneath because it's not quite my color. So it's gonna be kind of weird, but yeah, this is her. Tuck her all behind your ear. Uh-oh. But tuck her behind your ear. And yeah, I like her. Outre, I'll see you. Let these wig companies get their chance. Stop just being greedy, Outre. Stop being greedy. Stop being greedy. Let Sensational with It's a Wig and Motown Tress and all them. Let them get theirs in. Because you just taking over the wig game. So, yeah, for my pros and my cons, I don't have any cons other than the fact that she started shedding, but I did cut her and I cut some of the hair, so that's why she's shedding on me. But she's not shedding a lot, she's just shedding around here where I cut the hair off. She is big hair friendly, she's not too shiny, parting space is perfect. She's not a 13x6, but it's like a frontal effect, because if you can see, when I took my comb and I actually could part it and move it over a little bit, so it's like a frontal effect. I used my ebon and tinted my lace. I think I am, when this is gonna when this gets all gone, I'm gonna go and get the darker one. This is the medium brown. I'm gonna get the dark brown because I think it'll melt better on my skin tone. I am chocolate. Well, I'm not that chocolate, but I'm chocolate. But I think it'll melt better. Yeah, I think it will. Because like right now, she's melted. Don't get me wrong. But I could see the knots. I could see the grids in the lace. And I don't like that. So let me go in with this and see if I can remove those little knots. Oh, I love this stuff. It's so good, y'all. Don't sleep on it. Hair Fetish Dolls. This stuff is amazing. It's just, oh, it's amazing. Alright, so I'm going to get out of here. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I want to thank you for spending some time with me. I hope you learned something. I hope you're going to go out and get her. She's gorgeous, y'all, especially in this cherry red. She does come in other colors, ginger brown, I think creamy chocolate or creamy mocha, or you know, yeah, she comes in some blonde colors, but I am a big fan of purple and red and all that, so yeah, that's why I got it in this cherry red. But y'all, I love her. I love her. She's so pretty. But I'm going to get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another one. Bye.